TVK Chief Vijay's first outdoor campaign event post the Karur Stampede has just happened in Erode district of Tamil Nadu. We are showing you visuals of the fans who are coming out of...
Tamil Nadu Vijay! Tamil Nadu Vijay! Tamil Nadu Vijay!
Emotional supporters of Tamilaka Vetri Kalagam who are coming out of... The fans are calling the DMK as an evil force, and they are telling that TVK will storm to power in 2026. TVK will defeat the DMK and come to power in 2026 is what these fans say. Crazy fans of Mr. Vijay, emotional supporters of Tamilaka Vetri Kalagam, they are reiterating one thing again and again. They call the DMK as an evil force, and they say that Mr. Vijay will storm to power in 2026. The fans are in fact becoming more and more emotional as the time passes by. We saw what Mr. Vijay spoke in Erode. He has tried to address a lot of local issues pertaining to Erode. He has told that the DMK government has not done anything in the last 4 years to safeguard the interests of farmers, to safeguard the interests of MSMEs. So that is something that Vijay has made it very clear. And he's also spoken about how the youth of Tamil Nadu, they are finding it very hard to get proper job opportunities.
தளபதி கிழிச்சிட்டாரு 2026 எங்க தளபதி வேற யாரால வர முடியாது. நான் ஒண்ணே ஒன்னு சொல்லிக்கிறேன், அந்த வானவெளி பைஸ் எங்க இருந்தா சரி அடுத்த மீட்டிங் தளபதி வரும்போது அங்க வந்து நீ பேட்டிடுறா பார்க்கலாம்.
These are some of the very emotional fans of Mr. Vijay. Of course, they keep telling that the DMK is an evil force, and they say that and at this point, I've come across hundreds of people who are telling the same thing. They are very confident that in 2026, Mr. Vijay will become the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. And as I was earlier telling, Vijay has tried to address a lot of local issues pertaining to Erode, be it the issues concerning farmers, concerning MSMEs, or concerning the daily wage laborers. He has tried to address all of them. At this point, the fans are not even allowing me to speak. Whenever I try to speak, they start slow-nearing, they start screaming, TVK, TVK, TVK.
DMK out.
Emotions are running high on the ground. Emotions are running high on the ground. So let's wait and see how the political discourse of Mr. Vijay's event today, Mr. Vijay's campaign event today, and his speech here, unfolds in the coming days. But definitely, he has reiterated once again that the contest in 2026 is only between DMK and TVK. He has told that the DMK is jittery about him and his party. The DMK is nervous and that the DMK is jittery, and 24/7 the only thing the DMK thinks about is how to destroy him and how to destroy his party is what Mr. Vijay says. So definitely a lot of allegations that are being levelled against the ruling Dravida Munnetra Kalagam and its chief MK Stalin from the part of Mr. Vijay. We are right now showing you visuals from Vijayamangalam and Erode district of Tamil Nadu, where the thousands and thousands of fans have come to attend the TVK rally. So they are coming out of the venue post the rally. So we are showing you visuals of the fans coming out. So talking about the security arrangements, the spotlight today is definitely on safety because, as I told, this is the first outdoor campaign event that Vijay has undertaken post the Karur Stampede. So the Karur Stampede happened on the 27th of September. So since then, for the past 2.5 months, TVK was not able to hold any outdoor campaign event. So this is the first outdoor campaign event of Mr. Vijay post the Karur Stampede. Around 1,500 police personnel from the western region of Tamil Nadu, they were deployed here to make sure nothing untoward happens. Almost 20 ambulances and 70 medical and paramedical staff, they were also on standby, and 60 CCTV cameras, they were they were installed across this venue to monitor each and every movement of the public and the functionaries. So, of course, the security measures, they were beefed up, and nothing untoward has happened. The entire event has, it has happened very smoothly. Nothing untoward has happened. Definitely, it must be a very happy thing, a happy moment for TVK, especially considering what happened in Karur, the tragic incident that happened in Karur, which claimed 41 innocent lives. Here in Erode, the situation seems pretty smooth. The entire event has now got completed pretty smoothly. So the TVK functionaries must feel really happy about it. That name is Jai Prakash for Times Network from Erode.